Yeah, I think they're real. I think it's lavender. A kitchen renovation is probably the most important project in the lifespan of a home. The goal should be to choose wisely your design to make sure you extend the lifespan of your investment. Today we'll look at the timeless kitchen. What does that really mean? Hello, my name is François. Welcome to E-SPACE. If we compare the timeless kitchen with the fashion industry, we all know that if you invest in the right wardrobe, a high quality, it will last you for many years. It's like that little black dress or black suit that you can have for many events. So why is that? You can use and reuse that little black outfit for many events just by adding a scarf, jewelry, even a watch or different shoes, and you can customize it to any event and any fashion statement that you want to do. Same goes for the kitchen. So the timeless kitchen is characterized with neutral tones, all whites, all beige, all taupes, and even natural material like any wood grain. It's simple, elegant, and has clean lines. When you have a neutral tone kitchen, it opens up flexibility and gives you more options for the years to come. So you'll be able to update the backsplash, change the hardware, change your fixture, and even bar stools. Also, to increase the lifespan of your kitchen, you should consider some material that are very durable, resistant, and have high superior manufacturing qualities. Think of your timeless kitchen as a blank canvas. It's going to allow you to be creative in other aspects and decorate it as you want and make it your own. Hopefully this tip was useful. To learn more, visit us on our E-SPACE. My name is François. Have a great day.